In this video, we are going to solve a question on scalar multiplication and matrix multiplication. Okay, so the question says A is equal to that and B is equal to that. So we should find 3A minus 2B and AB. So let us have a solution. So the first part says we should find 3A. So 3 is our scalar and we are multiplying it by the matrix A. So when multiplying a scalar with a matrix, we simply multiply the scalar by every element in the matrix. Okay, so here we have 3 into the matrix 2 minus 1, 0, and 3. So here to multiply this 2, we are going to multiply the scalar, which is 3, by every element in the matrix. So by that we are going to have, so 3A is equal to 3 times 2, 3 times minus 1, 3 times 0, and 3 times 3. So we are multiplying the scalar by every element in the bracket in the matrix. So now we just simplify it. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. 3 times 0 is 0. And 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. So let's take the second part, B. So we have minus 2B. Now minus 2 is our scalar in this case. So we do the same thing. We multiply every element by the scalar, which is minus 2. So we have minus 2 into 1, 4, 3, and 0. So minus 2B is equal to, so we take minus 2 times 1, minus 2 times 4, minus 2 times 3, and minus 2 times 0. So that is what we have. Okay, so now we do simple, this is just simplification that we are to do. So minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. And minus 2 times 0 is 0. So that is it. Okay, so let's go to the third, which is C. C says we should find AB. We should find the matrix AB. So now in this case, it is matrix multiplication. So we are multiplying one matrix by another. So let's have our two matrices. Our two matrices, A is 2 minus 1, 0, 3. And B is 1, 4, 3, 0. So that is our A and B. Okay, so now to multiply two matrices, first we have to take the order of the two matrices. So the order of this first matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix, and the order of the second matrix is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So to multiply two matrices, if the column of the first matrix is the same as the row of the second matrix, then the two matrices can be multiplied. So here 2 is the same as 2, so here the two matrices can be multiplied. And the final order of our product of the two matrices that we're going to have, so the order of the product that we're going to have will be the row of the first matrix times the column of the second matrix. So it's still going to be a 2 by 2 matrix in this case. So let's have it AB now. So to multiply two matrices, we are multiplying the rows by the columns. So we will take this, so we are doing a row by column, this times this plus this times this. Okay, so we are going to have 2 times 1 plus 3 times minus 1. So this is 2 times 1 plus 3 times minus 1. That will give us the first element. Now we have 2 times 1 plus 0 times minus 1. So we go again, 2 times, sorry, this is 4. So now we have 2 times 4 plus 0 times minus 1. So it's this times this plus this times this. So row by column. Okay, now we go to the next case. 1 times 0 plus 3 times 3. So it's this 0 times 1 plus 3 times 3 is this and this. Now we'll have this and this. So it's 0 times 4 plus 0 times 3. So now we simplify it. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times minus 1 minus 3. 2 times 4, 8 minus 1. Sorry, 0. 0 times minus 1 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0 plus 3 times 3, which is 9. 0 times 4 is 0 plus 0 times 3, which is 0. Okay, so now this boils down to 2 minus 3 minus 1, 8 plus 0, 8, 0 plus 9, 9, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So that is our final product AB. Okay, so to multiply a matrix by its scalar, we are just multiplying the scalar by every element in the matrix. And to multiply a matrix by another matrix, we take it row by column. We multiply each row by each column. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next video.